Navigation system. Eddie Bauer 6-cylinder in excellent condition and being easy to keep clean white. This is a genuine Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle with a 6-year 100,000-mile warranty and financing as low as 2.9%. Nicely equipped with a power moonroof, Sirius satellite radio, heated leather seats, 18-inch chrome-clad wheels, rear third seat, 6-disc CD, reverse sensing system, adjustable pedals, auto headlamps, 4 brand new tires and more. Please visit our website at Cates.com.